Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download XcelPay wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and then go to the search box and type in XcelPay and search. Look for this application from XcelPay Limited and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Download the application and install it on your device, which will take a few minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open XcelPay on your iPhone. Allow necessary permissions for the app and get started signing up for XcelPay. So that is how you can easily download XcelPay on iPhone within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.